Springtime brings beautiful blooms and warmer weather, but for many, it also signals the start of I can't stop sneezing season. Allergies, right? Our consumer technology reporter Jamie Tucker takes a look at 2 smartphone apps that can help you decide when it's safe to go outside.
Does your patio furniture kind of look like the yellow brick road? You can get pollen information from most weather apps in which allergens are high on a particular day, but that's not a lot of help if you don't know what you're allergic to. 2 smartphone apps are highly rated by allergy sufferers, Zyrtec's AllergyCast and Allergy Plus by Pollen.com. Both do the same thing. Each day they give you an allergy forecast. Maps show the severity and what's producing pollen. And if you're planning some yard work or being outside, you will see there are better days for outdoor activities. In both the Zyrtec and Allergy Plus apps, you can log symptoms to help figure out which allergens affect you the most. In time, you should be able to see if it's tree pollen, ragweed, grass, or something more specific. You can also get forecasts and alerts for cities you're traveling to. Both Allergy Plus and Zyrtec's apps are free, but you might see some ads without a premium subscription. I saw a lot more in the Allergy Plus app. While the free versions will be fine for most people, those who suffer from severe allergies year-round, it might be worth the upgrade. Both apps are excellent at what they do, and they offer relief by suggesting when it's okay to go outdoors and when you're better off staying inside. I'm Jamie Tucker, and Zyrtec's AllergyCast and Allergy Plus by Pollen.com are the apps of the day.